How to do margin trading in Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance Lite, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can do margin trading in Binance. Well, to do margin trading in Binance, simply first open up your Binance and log into your account. On the app, tap on the profile icon, the Binance icon at the top left, and make sure down below that you are not on the Binance Lite but instead on the Pro version. So if you have Pro, then you'll be able to get all these options. Now once on the Pro, what you can do is again tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner, and then here tap on more services. Once you select more services, scroll down and head to the trade section. Under trade, you'll be able to find the margin option. Tap on it. Now once under margin trading option here, you want to select the borrow option to access borrowed funds. Then you want to choose the asset you want to trade and then place your order using the borrowed funds while selecting the desired leverage level. Now remember to repay the borrowed amount with interest when closing your position. So this is how you can do margin trading on Binance. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.